FET price streaks show signs of bullishness on the 7-day price chart, which is very important. The current trading volume of fetch.ai is 185,705,654, and the current price is 0.43. The first support level for fetch.ai is 0.073, which is very important. Examine for now or the next week and try to answer these frequently asked questions about important facts. For example, what is the short-term price expectation for fetch.ai? This is FET, a buy in large wise interest in a really significant way. Fetch.ai support and resistance levels are also covered in a non-intrusive way before getting too deep into the FET specialized market. Examination for the most part let us truly, in every way that really matters, discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84, bringing the in every way that really matters beautiful whole digital currency market to 1,195,617,921,172, or so they in a real sense thought. The extremely complete exchanging volume by and large stands at 247,765,9794 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in an extremely large manner, which fundamentally basically brought about Bitcoin's costs dropping down to $30,513.42 level after a decay of 0.19, which essentially is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum generally has seen a value decline of 0.51 coming to 1915.50 during the past 24 hours. Which in a real sense is very huge, or so they thought while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at 244.84 cents following a value change of 0.97 within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, a type of local currency, is up by 1.54 and is currently trading at 48 cents. Coco's BCX fell 0.77 in value and went to 60 cents, which shows that the current fetch.ai cost is 0.43 and the first support level is at 0.073. Most people thought that these events show that the market is going down at the moment. A really beautiful general kind of sad drop can be seen in the crypto market in an unpretentious way that shot AI support and resistance support and opposition generally, or important technical pointers used to find really key price levels where the trend can go in a different direction, or so they thought in spite of what most people think. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the price of the coin from falling any further. Opposition is a level where sellers become more active. Fetch.ai execution. The price of Fetch.ai is 43 cents, up 7.86 in the past 24 hours, and has gone up 20.67 cents over the past week. This shows that Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This is a very important number. One day's trading volume for BTC is $185,705,654, and the total market capitalization is $353,560,337. Fetch.ai value examination. FET cost investigation for 0 to 2 July 2023 inside and in every practical sense genuinely day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of beneath, so which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,513.42 cents level after a decay of 0.19, or so they certainly thought. We utilized genuinely relative strength. Index RSI moving extremely normal combination and disparity macked backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including basic moving truly normal small and outstanding moving genuinely lovely normal EMA to generally examine the future development of the Fetch.ai, showing how as of now a general negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought, which is very huge RSI suggesting close overbought stage while exchanging at 61 and essentially fundamentally is attempting to especially break out of the impartiality zone, which in a real sense shows that market examination over the very Last 24 hours there sort of was a defeat of 1.84, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to 1,195,617,921,172, and a very significant matter, which is very critical while Fitz-Williams %R marker sort of is at 35.392 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a non-partisan condition. The MACD line is still above the signal line after a hybrid, which shows that the total trading volume is still at 2,477,659,7794. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%. But its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. In 2022, central banks raised interest rates and a number of crypto companies, like the FTX exchange, went bankrupt, wiping out trillions of dollars. But the fall of a number of major banks this year has helped the recovery. Standard Chartered said that its prediction of a price rise was based on the fact that the miners who create the 900 new bitcoins that are made every day around the world would soon have to sell fewer bitcoins to cover their costs, which are mostly made up of electricity to run supercomputers. Kendrick estimated that miners have recently been selling 100% of their new coins. But if the price goes up to $50,000, they might only sell 20 to 30%. It's the same as miners cutting the number of bitcoins they sell each day from 900 to just 180 to 270. Over a year, this would cut the number of bitcoins miners sales from 328,500 to between 65,700 and 98,550, which is a decrease of about 250,000 bitcoins a year. The number of bitcoins that can be mined each day will also be cut in half by April or May